venture as a road call into this storm for a driver that got busted at the scale house for an air leak. So hopefully we don't get too wet. We'll see when we get there. Should be there in about 15 minutes. Well, we made it to the scale house, so let's find this guy and see what we got going on. Rained pretty good the whole way down. It should be a flatbed trailer. Oh, hey, it stopped raining just in time. So we're under this constoga. He's 25,000 pounds on the rear axle and 10,000 on the front axle, and we found a leveling valve not airing up properly, so I ran 50-mile-an-hour trip and went and bought a new one. It's a Haldex 9005407. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this off, and then get a new one installed. So bear with me, I don't have a tripod, so this is going to be rough. Alright, as you can tell, we got the new one all installed. I had to bend this a little bit to clear the leveling valve. So just two 11mm socket and 11mm wrench, pops it right off. Crescent wrench through the air lines. Good to go. Stuff was all kinked up before, so. But let's put the air to it and see what she does. I'm gonna crawl out of here. So this is what we were called out here for, constoga, hauling steel bar, going to Georgia, but he went across the scales over there and they told him he had 25,000 pounds on the rear axle and 10,000 pounds on the front axle. So he troubleshot it. The leveling valve wasn't working right, and that's it. We're just waiting on him to air it up. Cool old W900 he's running. So we'll see if it airs up, and then we'll have him cross the scale. So hopefully this will work out. It's going to be a short video. I didn't really film a lot because the driver was kind of crowding us the whole time. But he's there up there, got it running now. So we got lucky, all the rain that passed us by. Got a wrecker over there on the scale. Did you flip that valve in, Ishmael? Okay. Hopefully we'll get lucky and this thing will air up without having to adjust really or anything. We got the hot shot over here changing his tire. The guy doesn't really speak in English. Asked us if he could borrow like a 1/4-inch impact driver to get his lug nuts off of the truck. Well, he's gonna go run it across the scale. It lifted, so see what we come up with when he crosses. Old guy, he's super cool. He's probably like in his 70s, old school truck driver. hopefully he gets across the scale and we're good to go. Collect payment and roll on out. And I got a dinner date to make it to. Wait on this yellow truck to cross. What a joke. Apparently this guy's good. See if our guy's good. Goes getting on the scale right now. Oh, the cops out there walking with him. No. So he got rejected off the scale. We lost about 900 pounds, but we come to find out this regulator was bad, so we put a union in there to get him by. But as you can see, it's all aired up now. He's going to be good to go. Let him go roll this thing across the scale right now. Going to be late to dinner. Ishmael don't like to be late to dinner, but see. All right, there he goes to get back on the scale. The cop left. The scale house is closed. He told me what I had to do to get him to where he needed to be. So there's the weights rolling out with a low tire still. So I'll zoom in on the scale. He should be coming around. Look at the mud flaps now. Zoom in on this. So he was at 24/7 on the rear axle. Hell yeah. 18.2. So he's between 18.5 and 19,000 on both of the trailer axles. So he's ready to roll. State police told me he could be under, as long as he was under 20,000 on each axle, we're good to go. So we're good. Let me zoom back out. So he's good to go. Pause. So bill's all paid up. Just paid with a credit card. Getting ready to leave. He's climbing in the truck, and his bill was, everybody always wants to know how much it was, so For labor and parts and everything, it was $803. So just total repair, it was $803. Probably too cheap, but they were happy with the service they got, and hopefully they call us again. So there's the scale or the inspection. So thanks, guys. Just wanted to say thanks for tuning in and watching this video, and we'll have some more coming this week.